Lakers, president of FastCap. You know, it's not very often you're going to hear the president of a major company say they screwed up, but I screwed up big time. Let me explain. A while back, we came out with a T20 Torx Drive powerhead screw. Our powerhead screws, people love them. And I did everything in my power to make the perfect driver bit for that. I went to factory after factory that specializes in doing that. Every one of them failed. They just didn't last very long, and I frustrated the hell out of you, and I am so sorry. On top of that, I went to Milwaukee, I went to DeWalt, I went to every Torx bit manufacturer you could think of, and they all failed. They just don't work. I don't know what else to say. They twist out, they bend, they do everything but work consistently. And then I learned about a company called Wiha. Never heard of it in my life. I've been a woodworker for over 30 years. Wiha is a German company that makes the most incredible bit drivers ever. So we contacted Wiha. We're now supplying one precious Wiha bit that will last you so long you will not believe it and not fail in every pack of Torx bit powerhead screws. We're gonna basically go like this. We're gonna take our piece of crap bits that we have in there and we're gonna throw them out, and we're gonna put one precious Wiha bit in every pack, just like that. Whether you buy a 50 pack, a 100 pack, a 1,000 pack, it doesn't matter. There'll be one bit because you really only need one bit. Awesome bit, and there's nothing like quality, and Wiha has it nailed. Let me demonstrate real quick just how good they are. So I'm gonna take one of our Torx Drive bits, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. Look at that. I drove that thing down, and look at the tip on there. Now, just to show you the difference, I'll put ours in to embarrass myself first. I'll do the same test, and look what our bit looks like after you've done one of those. Oh crap, it broke off just like that. So I'll get a Milwaukee, I'll put it on there, just like that. First of all, it doesn't fit very well, okay? Now, oh, it broke it off, right? It doesn't matter what brand. I bought the most high-tech brands you can imagine. Everybody tells me, oh, their bit's gonna last, it's not gonna be a problem. Oh, it broke off again. But let's put the Wiha bit on and do the same test, and you will not believe it. Now, I don't recommend just ramming them in there and never stopping, but the bottom line is you need a bit that's not gonna... Same Wiha bit, we'll just keep going over and over again, and the thing is this thing. These bits are crazy, crazy, crazy good. So the bottom line is I screwed up, and I'm so sorry. But now I've learned about Wiha. And if you want gold, if you want woodworking gold, come to FastCap for Wiha bits, because there's nothing like them in the world. You are gonna love this product. I'm so sorry. But now I've learned about Wiha. And if you